This video guide is about getting rid of the browser redirection issues related to the website clearedexchange.com. clearedexchange.com. This website may periodically come up in new browser tabs, and its mission is to forward the customer's attention to a lot of other shady websites of a bad reputation. If you see these pop-ups by the site clearedexchange.com, then obviously there is a problem with your browser. The browser most likely is infected by some adware type program or in the form of ads that are displayed as push notifications. If you click on them, you may be brought to this clearedexchange.com website. Also, you may also be forwarded to some other shady resources that may cause a lot of troubles. For instance, your browser may be infected with adware, with browser hijacking extensions, and other threats. So if you see these pop-ups and these redirections by clearedexchange.com, you should fix your system immediately. Access the menu of your computer, go to Search, choose Control Panel, type Control Panel, then carefully look for any suspicious programs you might find here on the list. If you find something suspicious, get rid of it. We also recommend you to carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green download button, install the software, and start researching the system to detect and eliminate other threats fully from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.